So guys, now I've opened it. Now it's time to take all of them out. Then opened up. Then we start getting them out. Then it's time to play. Yay! Let's do it.
How many tubs do you have, Johan?
Today we have 18 tubs.
Wow, that's a lot.
So let's get to work.
Okay. What colors do you have?
We have white, blue, orange, purple, green, red, light blue, another green, another red, brown, black, yellow, pink, another yellow, another light blue, a white, and another dark black. Let's get to work, guys.
Dark blue, you mean?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue. And mommy, pause the video, please.